I just built an AI-powered meme generator channel, and I'm actually kind of shocked by how easy it was to do. Just a few prompts, and just like that, I have a video that could easily be mistaken for one of those viral videos. Or was it mistaken? So this was actually supposed to be a joke. I literally just wanted to mess around with some AI tools. Maybe make a few of those silly memes, throw in the usual slightly robotic voiceovers.
Would you like to play a game of rock, paper, scissors?
Upload a short or two and, well, call it a day. Next thing I know, the video was ready to be published way faster than I thought. And I also realized that there was a way that I could start making money with it like now, before YouTube even let me join the AdSense club. So what I'm talking about here are videos with no face, no voice, no monetization button, and still have the potential to be profitable. And so I built the entire channel around stuff people already binge watch. Memes, of course. And so in this video that you're watching right now, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. From coming up with the idea, creating my very first faceless meme video, automating everything with AI, and setting it all up to print views and by extension, hopefully make money while I sleep. So if you have an internet connection and a keyboard, you can literally copy this whole thing. Okay, so I didn't pick memes because I'm some kind of comedy or meme genius. I picked memes because everything else online felt like it was way too much work, and way too much work for not enough reward, or money right now at least. I tried researching faceless channels in something like the productivity niche, and I couldn't even get through watching an entire video. It's just not for me. And even worse, if I was to actually make a video like that. So that wasn't too productive. So yeah, memes were the move for me. Seemed to be high engagement, low effort, really high shareability. And unlike most niches, you don't need to build authority or a 6-month content plan. You just need to be funny, fast, and well, slightly inappropriate. Plus, with AI now fully in Terminator mode, I realized I could literally auto-edit the entire video. Well, kinda. So then automate almost the entire thing while I drink budget-friendly coffee and pretend to be productive. So straight to the most important part, making the actual memes. This part was shockingly easy, like too easy. Here's the exact process I used to make the first potentially viral meme short. Step 1, prompt the joke. So I asked ChatGPT, of course, write 10 darkly relatable one-liners about remote work, AI, and emotional collapse. The instant results, well, I think those speak for themselves. I thought those were mostly hilarious, so I copied them. That takes us to step 2, generate the image. Back into ChatGPT, I typed, well, I actually didn't generate anything yet because I needed the image prompt first, which might have slipped me. So let's do that now. Generate the image prompts for those memes that were created. Maybe start with this one first. I think it was something about an AI robot in a hoodie sitting in the dark. Once I did that, I just repeated that process like 10 times. And just like that, 10 meme-ready images in under a minute or so. Well, depending on your internet connection. Now it's time for step 3, to memify it. I threw it into CapCut. Put the text on top, bold white, I think it was impact font, because that's like a meme law or something. Anyway, I exported. And just like that, I had a meme. But wait, this is where things get interesting. Because I wasn't just making memes for laughs. I was making memes to sell. Kinda. So I dropped an affiliate hook right in the pinned comment and description. Here's the exact tool I used. And I would place the affiliate link in there. If you're gonna get lost on the internet, you might as well make some money from it. And so if people just like you click it, I'll totally understand. But wait, that was just one type of meme. Now here's something I didn't expect. Even though I was making memes, I still needed a script. I know, it sounds kind of ridiculous, but if you just throw a meme on screen, people will scroll off onto a better meme. So I realized if I wanted the video to actually hook people, it needed structure. Tiny structure, but structure nonetheless. Here's the formula I used for my first short. Well, the second short. Hook, meme setup, punchline, and then affiliate plug. The plug disguised as a joke, but hopefully they click just like you. I opened ChatGPT and typed something like, write a 10-second video script that starts with a bold hook, shows a relatable AI meme and ends with a punchline that low-key promotes the AI tool that made it in a funny but strategic way. ChatGPT once again over-delivered. I thought that was good. And if it made the viewer laugh, click and hopefully take the yearly plan, I'll be even happier. So now I had a script, a meme, a plan, but no voiceover. I thought it seemed logical to try something like ElevenLabs here. So I opened it up, went straight to the voice library, and was quickly able to find the most suitable one. I copy-pasted my script in, I tweaked the tone a little bit, then clicked generate. Here's a sample.
I asked AI to help with my burnout.
I thought that was really good. So it involves zero recording, zero awkwardness from me, and like 90% automation. Now it was time to glue it all together and make an actual video. So here's what I did. Step 1 for this is import everything. Voiceover, meme image, I guess that's it. Drop the voiceover on the timeline. I listened through it once just to catch any kind of weird gaps. Then I threw the meme image on top, added a slight zoom in effect so it wasn't just a static frame, and I made sure to match it to the voice timing. I think it already felt better than the majority of content like this on YouTube Shorts. Now to get the captions, which is really important, I just started typing everything that the robot says. I'm kidding. CapCut has auto captioning built in. One click and it transcribed the entire thing. I then picked up this type of meme font, put that on a black outline for extra clarity, and made the text comically large because the small text is just small. Next thing was to add some background music. And just like that, I had a meme short that was fully edited, mostly AI powered, and ready to go viral. Just me, CapCut, and some questionable internet humor.
I asked AI to help with my burnout.
Have you tried working harder?
So yeah, I made this meme with AI because therapy is still out of network.
I mean, I thought it looked really good. Almost too good for how little effort I put in. I just needed one person to click the link and think, I want to make depressing memes as well. That's why I built a faceless AI meme channel with no voice, no camera, no AdSense, and still positioned it to make money before the algorithm even knew that I existed. So at this point, you shouldn't be waiting on anything to get started with this. You should just go ahead. But right before that, have a quick look at this faceless strategy over here, because I really think that you might like this option.